Hi, I'm Dino from Shark Industries located here in Rockford, Minnesota. I'm here to share with you 3 great brake products to make your days go smoother. First up, we're talking about to prevent brake noise. Many brake repair centers have issues with the brake pads not seating properly, which will cause brake squealing. Often, the unhappy customer returns complaining about the squealing, and so the shop then has to replace the brake pads, sand the surface of the rotors, and now the residue that created the squealing is gone because of the sanding. A new rotor should be thoroughly cleaned with brake soap to remove all the petroleum residue that naturally comes from manufacturing process. You can use brake clean, which leaves the residue, or a detergent, but they also can leave a petroleum residue and gets on the pads, which creates glazing. The glazing then creates the brake squeal. Our product is called brake soap. It's a non-petroleum based soap that removes oil residue and petroleum to prevent your brake jobs from glazing and squealing. Next up, we have Ceramlub. Mercedes-Benz and many OEMs use Ceramlub in their assembly process of new vehicles coming off the factory line. It is a full synthetic ceramic brake lube. It's lubrication you put on the backside of your brake pads, the brake pad tabs, the surface of the caliper piston, and the caliper pins. It's the only product in the industry that has 35% ceramic solids in it, compared to the competitors, which are 0.1%. The ceramic aids in preventing lubricant from breaking down because while brakes get hot, Ceramlub is good for up to 2,500 degrees. The ceramic element prevents it from drying out. For example, I've personally taken apart brakes after 40,000 miles on my daughter's Lexus, and the lube was still pliable. While it is a food-grade grease that's 95% biodegradable, please don't eat it. Get a free sample today at 1-800-537-4275. So while Ceramlub is used for moving components, things that are sliding or rubbing up against each other, Pastelub is used in an anti-seize type component like threads and pressure-applied surfaces. Like when you take a rotor and a hub apart, by using Pastelub, it will prevent rusting, binding down the road. It's similar to other anti-seizing products, but only better. Pastelub also is a real synthetic moly lubricant. It has a combination of aluminum to prevent rusting and 40% ceramic solids to resist heat even up to 2,500 degrees. The product is a dry film. It dries out, preventing things from sticking and rusting. It's not affected at all by salt, water, dirt, brake fluid, extreme heat. It's safe to be used on rubber and plastic components. Both Pastelub and Ceramlub were formulated originally in Switzerland and now made here in the USA. You can order all these great brake products and more from Amazon, Factory Motor Parts, Shark Distributors, and SharkInd.com. To request a free sample of Ceramlub, please call us at 800-537-4275.